Meaning of dreadnought.
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 Dreadnought. Dreadnought is a type of battleship that was introduced in the early 20th century. It was known for its great size, speed and powerful armament, which included heavy guns and an armor belt. The term dreadnought was originally used to describe this new type of warship, but over time it came to represent any large and powerful warship. Dreadnoughts played a significant role in naval warfare during World War I, but were largely replaced by aircraft carriers and other types of ships in later years.